Look, we're on TV.
That's us. Gotta check your profile.
There you go. All right, let's start off with the bathroom. Go in. You got your little white switch here. You got plenty of counter space. You got the dual sinks. Plenty of storage underneath. You got some drawers here and under the sink storage. There's also storage behind. Little shelving right there. You got your Mountain and Gets amenities, such as the soap, the shampoo, the conditioner, the body wash. There you go right there. You got the shower head up top that you can move around. You got a full-size tub. And the only thing is you got the shower curtain. But that's all right. There's your towels right there. Right. Now let's see what kind of storage we have here. All right, so there you got your in-room safe. You got some hanging room right there. And on this other side, you got for the really long stuff. You got your comfy robes. You can drop these bars down here if you want more short. Like that. There you go. As you saw, there's plenty of hangers. These older ships, they do have a lot more storage than the newer ones. And here you got your grand suite mini bar area, staging area. Got a whole bunch of waters and sodas from our loyalty status. You got your Lavazza coffee maker. You got your bottle of water that you get once. They will come and do your ice as much as you want. They even gave us a little plate of fruit. You got more drawers, storage underneath here. That. And here you got your in-room cooler. Little tip, if you want to put the ice bucket, I'll show you. There's no ice in it right now, but if you put the ice bucket in there just like that, that'll keep it even colder. You got more drawers over here. And then you got your menus. You got a mini bar menu and a breakfast menu. And there should be a room service menu because that is also included in a grand suite. Got some lampage. You got a pull-out couch if you have more than 2 people. You got plenty of seating. You see all the stuff that they give you when you first get on. Here you got your TV. Also has a sound bar on it. And I believe there's a speaker under here too. Yep, there's your subwoofer. And then we have the full size, king size they say, but it's more like a queen. These rooms do not have plugs on the side. There might be one behind there, but you got those drawers over there. You got your phone, more drawers underneath. And here you got your desk. This is where you're going to have all the outlets. You got 2 regular outlets plus the 2 European. So you're allowed to bring a USB splitter. So you only use up one of those plugs. You got more storage behind here. More drawers along with your hair dryer, tissues. Plenty of storage on these. And more behind here. And then this lights up. There you go. How's everybody doing? And then you even have your makeup mirror for the ladies. And so that's pretty much the grand suite room. Now let's head out to the balcony area. Okay, so out here on the balcony, you got these two loungers with a table in the middle. And over here, you got your two chairs with the table. So you can come out here and have your coffee. And with a suite, you can even have main dining delivered. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner when the main dining room is open. And you can have your meals out here. And you get these beautiful views. So we hope this tour helped you decide if Grand Suite 1260 is worth the upgrade to you. If you're planning a Freedom of the Seas cruise, don't stop here. We've put together an entire Freedom of the Seas playlist with more cabin tours, reviews, even a casino tour, and cruise tips to help you plan the perfect vacation. Click that playlist right here and keep exploring with Prescribed Adventures. And if you found this video helpful, we'd love to have you join us by subscribing for more Royal Caribbean adventures.